What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Quilla, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I know. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I know that I have been gone, and y'all probably wondering like, where have you been? And I'm here to tell y'all where I've been. I'm here to tell y'all. So we're gonna have this conversation over a seafood boil, and I got my drink. I got some Minute Maid lemonade. Is 0 calories and 0 sugars, and it is bomb, y'all. I got mine from Kroger's, but I think Walmart got it too. So I got king crab. I got some sausage. I got some corn, some potatoes, and some eggs. Period. So we're gonna say grace and we're gonna get into this video. God, I want to thank you for this food. Let it be nourishing to my body and do it no harm. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So how have y'all been? How have y'all day been? What have y'all been up to? I know I have missed a lot. Comment down in the comment section below if you miss me, or comment down in the comment section below and let me know what you've been up to, what you've been doing. Since I ain't been posting no videos, who else you been watching? And so I'm gonna get into this conversation, but let me go ahead and get into some of this food first, because I'm hungry. Oh, I do want to say that I'm also answer some questions too, that some people have asked me. So I'm gonna do like kind of like a Q&A update where I've been, you know. So yeah, bro, this food is hot. At least this egg is hot. What I want is hot. So let's go to. I'm gonna let this cool down, and let's go to some questions. So. All right, somebody asked me, what are some things that that interest me? Things that interest me, kids. I love children, as I have said before. But what else? I don't know. I don't really do much. A good movie interests me. Walking the park interests me. Um, Church interests me. A good service interests me. By the way, we had that today at our church. It was bomb. Service was off the chain. It was straight lit. Do you hear me? And then she asked another. She asked, "Are you a family person?" Yes, I am very family oriented. Yeah, I'm a family person. What are your views on motherhood, and do you carry a nurturing mentality at this stage and age in your life? I think that I do carry a nurturing mentality at this life. Motherhood can be trying. Motherhood can be hard, but we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Motherhood can be a lot. Like, kids can be a lot. And I didn't really realize that until I became a foster parent, honestly. I didn't realize that kids can be so much until I became a foster parent. When I became a foster parent, that let me know how much kids can be, how you know what I'm saying, how much what mothers go through. Like, even though I didn't birth the child or nothing like that, it still just let me know like what mothers go through. So motherhood can be trying, but it can be done. Um, I think that was all she had asked. Yeah, I think that was all she had asked. But an update on where I've been, y'all. I have been busy, honestly. Um, I had started a new job. I work from home. Yay! I'm so happy, happy, happy about that. Do I miss my last job? I do miss my clients. I do go back there and work though from time to time. Um, just not all the time. Now that's not my main job anymore. But I love my job from home. I love it. I wouldn't change it for the world. And like since I'm a foster parent, like I feel like this is the best job for me. It's a work from home job. And that's one reason why I haven't been doing YouTube like that because my last job, I was so tired. Like it was taking a lot out of me. My last job was. It was taking a lot out of me. I was working 7 days a week, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. at night, doing that Monday through Sunday, doing that 7 days a week, literally. So like I was tired, and I was like, I need to just step back and take a break, and that's what I did. I stepped back, took a break, got a job from home. It's hot. Got a job from home, um, and I just been working that job from home. I'm currently still in training right now, um, but I'm still like working, if you know what I mean. Like I'm in the training part where you doing the job now. You just in training, but you doing the job. So I'm happy about that. Um, what else? Oh, while I was gone, I had a birthday. June 17th. I turned 30. Um, I didn't do nothing though. I uh I had to work that day. It was like a Thursday, I think. Yeah, it was Thursday. And I had to work that day. Um, I had a cousin that died that Sunday. Before that, then I had a close friend who died on my birthday. So it was just, I didn't do nothing. But happy 30th to me. Happy late 30th to me though. Um, and that's been going on, honestly. I'm still here. I'm back, y'all. I'm gonna be making more videos for y'all. I'm not gonna go MIA no more. At least I don't plan to. That's not the plan at all. Yes, I am still on my weight loss journey. Um, yes, I'm about to get back into the gym. I was just doing at home workouts, but I think I'm about to start back going to the gym now because I got more time. My last job, I didn't have no time for real. I was always tired when it was time. So yeah, I'm about to start back getting back into the gym. I'm still working out, absolutely. Nothing has changed about that. So I was so excited to get in here and do this. I was so excited to get in here and do this video for y'all. I got gloves. I got gloves in there, and I forgot to grab them. And I'm not going back in there to get them. Y'all, let me tell y'all how God works. So I went to Cover yesterday to get these king crab. And y'all, king crab is high. They $34.99 a pound. $34.99 a pound. Do you hear me? So I went up to the register. I mean, to the, not the register, but you know where the meat and stuff is at. And I asked him, you know, can I get some king crab? And he like, yeah. He like, how many? I'm like, he like, how many you want? I'm like, I just want a pound. And he like, okay. So he put it on there, whatever. And I was like, can you put another leg in there? And he was like, yeah. So after that, I mean, I got it or whatever, and he hands me the bag thing. He hands me the bag thing that they put it in. Ooh, look at that. Period. Look at that. Yes. But anyway, he hands me the bag thing that they put it in. And he like, now mind you, these king crab was $34.99, no, $39.99, not 34, it's $39.99 a pound. He hands me the bag and say, ma'am, I rung you up for the wrong thing. It's fine though. Go ahead and keep it. Y'all, that when I got the bag it said $12.49. That's a blessing. I take that as a blessing because anybody else would have been like, nah, you finna pay this $39.99 a pound, so you're not finna $12.49, you're not finna, no. That ain't finna happen. Yeah. $12.49. It was a blessing. I was definitely I was grateful. I definitely was grateful. Cause king crab is not cheap. No seafood is cheap. Corn, I mean not the corn, but shrimp is. And sometimes that ain't cheap. But I got this new cup from Walmart. I don't know what it is about me and cups, but I'm obsessed with different cups, and I don't know why. But I am. Like if I see a cute cup with a top and a straw, it's like I gotta have it, and I don't know why. I'm just obsessed with cups. Let's get this video to 1K. I'm at, I think like 84 subscribers. Let's get my subscribers up there to 1K. Let's get this video to 1K likes. If you ain't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share. Share with everyone you know. I dislike these pokey things on here. It be hurting my hand. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I can't break that with my hand. It hurts. See, I'm willing to wrestle and tussle with these because they got all this meat in them. It's some smoke crab I got a problem with that I'm not gonna wrestle and tussle with. Like, no, y'all don't even have that much meat in them. I need some new scissors because this ain't cutting through there. Ooh, child. This does not want to open. Does that mean that when it don't want to open, that mean it's not worth it? It's definitely not that much meat in here. Better be a whole lot of meat in this when I get this open. And I'm not playing. Now, because this don't make no sense. As y'all can tell, I'm not a pro at this. Some people can just crack them open and I'm not a pro at it. don't understand what's going on here. And then when I do get open, all the meat want to break up. That's so ghetto. So ghetto. And I meant to tell y'all that I got like I got like four of these king crabs. I got like four of them. Really. All that for this. This. This how much in there. This is how much. This right here. This is how much. Just so ghetto. Alright, y'all, I'm full. I ate all I can eat. Now I'm full. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss another banger that your girl will be dropping. No, I'm not on a schedule yet for when I'm going to drop videos. I know I had told y'all it was going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I don't think that schedule is going to work. So I don't know. We'll see. But I'll be doing another video soon, though. It'll probably be a vlog, I'm sure. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I love it. I love you guys so much. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'm going to say it again because some of y'all miss it. So I'm going to go ahead and just say it again. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all of my social medias if you want to stay connected with your girl. Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. Some going on my Twitter. But if you find me, you can follow me. But some going on my Twitter. So make sure you guys stay connected. Make sure you guys send me any type of viewer questions that you guys want me to talk about on my channel. Send me. You can also send me more questions. I'm not going to say that I'm going to do another Q&A. Or what I did say wasn't really a Q&A because I only answered a couple questions that I had. But when I get more questions, then I'll be doing a, like a Q&A or whatever. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you share. Share with everybody you know, your friends, your family, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, your stepmom, your godmom, your grandma, your grandpa, your uncle, your nieces, your nephews, your in-laws, your father-in-law, your mother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your brother-in-law, your niece-in-law, your nephew-in-law. Make sure you share with everybody. Everybody that you know, literally, the whole world. Share, 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 share. Let's get this page to 1K. Let's get these likes to 1K. Let's get this video to 1K. Do you hear me? So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss another video that your girl will be dropping. Bye. See you guys later.